This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
Today we have a passenger side chair that when you use this control to lift up the seat, you should be able to lift up the front of it or the back of it. So if I lift up this part, the front should lift. That's working good. But when I go for the back, you can hear the motor operating, but I don't get any up, I don't get any down. Only the front aspect works. So we want to take a look at why that isn't working. You can hear though, you can hear a motor functioning. It's probably a stripped, the switch is working, probably stripped teeth or something. Let's take a look. Alright, we're taking a look at the seat now. This has some aftermarket video stuff put in. There's the little motors that are controlling the up and down for the seat. So if we look, it's hard to see you guys, I'm sorry, but this is a worm drive. This motor spins this thing. It actuates this seat, and let's see if when we fire this up we can tell which one's doing what. I got my hand on the controller now. So this is, I'm doing the front of it. You can see the motor's active. Go the other way. The motor's raising it up. It's pretty cool. I would say it's this one closest to me between these. There's three motors. There's one in the very front, there's one in the middle, and there's one here at the back. This one seems like it is firing up, but it's not able to move these gears for some reason. So I've got a pair of vice grips latched onto the worm drive, and I'm going to give it a little boost. Well, I like to use the actuating switch, see if I can unjam it. There's that step motor. There's the worm drive, like a screw. Get some vice grips on it. I'm able to move it a little bit. It might have freed it up. Got some movement going on. Try the actuator again. Yeah, got some movement. So I might have unjammed it. I'm going to take my vice grips off, get these out of here. Might have just been kind of stuck. Let's see if there's any difference now. Grab this worm drive and I'm going to turn it down even a little bit more. Seems like it wants to turn. You can feel the motor trying. I think the gear part of it inside the motor where it engages the worm drive might be stripped. Okay. Take the vice grips off. See if there's any difference now. Hey, there's movement. So I think the gears got lined up again. So that's the thing, the worm drive. It did work for a sec. Interesting.
Here's the new brass gear set for your seat, and this replaces the plastic one and will work a lot better. We'll be showing how to install this in a separate video. So thanks again for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.